For over half a century, Goodwill has been changing lives for the better, strengthening families and communities through the power of work and the dignity of a job. We entered 2018 excited to continue to build on this legacy of good, to create a yet greater positive impact within the communities we so proudly serve. New projects and community partnerships were launched with a keen focus and a proud effort to support Albertans with disabilities to find meaningful employment. 2018 marked one-year celebration anniversaries for our Beacon Heights Store and Career Centre in Calgary, and in Edmonton, our Goodwill on White and South Park retail locations. Each of these outstanding new Goodwill operations exceeded expectations on many fronts throughout 2018. By bringing dignity and joy to the forefront of our operations, these new Goodwill operations showcase our modern, new look of Goodwill as we excitedly welcome both current and new customers and donors and friends of Goodwill. The amazing Impact Centre in Edmonton also celebrated its first-year anniversary as one of the most innovative centres of excellence of its kind in Canada. The Impact Centre supports Goodwill in now achieving record waste diversion from landfills, creating such an opportunity for Goodwill to be a champion of our environment. In fact, more than 13 million kilograms of waste was diverted from landfills in 2018, beating our 2017 achievements by over 8.5%. In 2018, Goodwill launched our Sustainability Action Plan, a first of any Goodwill in Canada. Our Sustainability Action Plan provided such an opportunity for current and future environmental programs. We will strive to be a role model organization that integrates sustainability practices and a culture of shared responsibility for the planet into all areas of our operations. Because of these amazing sustainability initiatives, Goodwill was proud in 2018 to be recognized and awarded by the Recycling Council of Alberta for excellence in environmental stewardship. We are excited for this innovation to lay the groundwork for an Impact Centre to open in Calgary in 2020. Committing to the ability to deliver so much good, Goodwill is proud to partner with, and we certainly appreciate our 1.2 million customers, 600,000 donors, and nearly 800 staff members. We are confident that we will reach all new heights of success in the years to come as together we are making such a difference. Whether you are a valued shopper or donor or one of our Goodwillian team members, I want to say thank you for your dedication, our friendship, and your phenomenal contribution to one of North America's most successful Goodwill enterprises. Thank you.